Hey, what happened to the rest of this tree? I was stumped. Hey, what's that place? Maybe that's the paper mill. Well, we'll find out. What is a paper mill?
So a paper mill's where we take trees and we turn them into paper.
What? You cut the trees down?
It's all right because we plant them back again.
Oh, well, that sounds all right then. Mo will allow it.
That's good.
Yes. So, how do you get them to the paper mill?
So they come in here on big trucks.
Oh. What's happening here? Whoa! That thing takes the logs off the truck. That thing's putting the logs on the conveyor belt. Where's the conveyor belt going?
They go through our chipper and get turned into wood chips.
Chips! Oh, Mo hopes wood chips taste as good as potato chips. They do not. How does a wood chip become paper?
So we take our wood chips and we cook them in special vessels with special chemicals.
Is there a special name for cooked wood chips?
There is, we call it pulp.
Pulp.
So the pulp goes to our paper machine, and the first thing we do there is we put it on the wire.
Oh, the pulp gets laid out flat and has a bath. And then what happens?
Then we put it through some presses and squeeze the water out.
Whoa.
Then it goes around the drying cylinders,
Yeah?
and they're really hot, filled with steam, and it wraps around those to finish drying.
Oh, what's this paper doing? Spinning around and around and around and around and around. Whoa! So the pulp gets all dried out, squished flat, wrapped around, and it's paper.
Yep, so we wind it into great big reels we call jumbos.
Jumbo.
Jumbo, because
Like an elephant.
they weigh more than an elephant.
No way.
Yeah.
But paper's really light. Mo can lift paper easy. Like Mo can. Hey, bit of paper. Why is it so heavy?
Because we've got lots of it.
Whoa! That is one big roll of paper.
And then once it's in the big rolls, they're too big to take anywhere. So we move it with a crane, and then we cut it down into smaller rolls ready for our customers.
Oh, and then what happens to the rolls?
They go on the trucks or the trains.
Trains! You have paper trains.
We do have paper trains.
Wow. And how do they get onto the trains and the trucks?
We use our reel clamp trucks.
Whoa. They pick the rolls of paper up. And they put them on a train? Is this the best day of Mo's life? Yes. Yes, it is. Well, Mo has got a whole new light on this whole paper thing. Mo's going to look after paper, recycle it, and try not to waste too much.
That's a great idea, Mo.
Yeah, because it's a lot of work. Well, thank you for making paper at the paper mill. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.